Alright, we'll get this rolling a little bit sooner than we usually do it. Sucks I can't type anything. I'm fucking dropped water on my keyboard. I don't want to risk breaking my $8 keyboard. Give like another 2 minutos. Alright. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I can't type anything, so it kind of sucks. Can't really promote anything. Whatever. Pretty shitty price action all day. Kind of been stuck in a mini range between mini 2% range. It's nice. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Transition. Alright. Testing, 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 testing. Cool beans. And I think I have to pause actually. Last time I didn't pause it, you guys couldn't hear me very well. Alright. So, I'm thinking we're in this. Where's the chat box at? Man. Okay. Sorry, I was just looking at a chart. Man, I hate that I don't have my keyboard. That sucks. So my entire idea, let's go with Bitcoin start over here. So my entire idea, guys, as you know, I'm pretty with the idea that this is the bottom. I'm not here, but this is the bottom of this account. I think this is a 5 impulse that happens from here to here. However you want to count this, you can count this however you want to count it. Blah, blah, blah. This is not the probably correct label here, but I do believe this is the bottom of something right here. Now I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on. From this low to here, I'm pretty with the idea that it's going to be it is an impulse to some degree. This is one disgusting, hideous, what do you call it? Diagonal, they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, under 5 here. We're bullish. We should be anticipating bullish retests, resets. 55 is bullish. You see that. What I'm looking at here too, we have a pretty good signal here for a buy here on the 4 hour. It's also flashing on ETH, I think. No, not on ETH, but The setup's there. Outside the band concept, we're bullishly trending. We just need a solid bullish candle like this. Yes, it's closed like it closed positive white, but this was a shitty candle, and you couldn't really trust it. This was a decent one, but I didn't see it there. I didn't open up to try to sell this. That would have stopped you out anyways. So I'm watching this. I'm going to be watching this 4-hour candle here. If we could close probably like above 3,420, I'll probably get in on a long. You know, set my stop here at the low, like at 3,370, and target probably like 3,500, something like that. Whatever 3 to 1 at that moment would be. The thing I'm also kind of worried about on the 1 hour, which is usually the time frame I trade off of, is like our 55. Yes, we're above it. Yes, it's positive, but it's going sideways. So that tells me like we're not really in a trend right now. We're in some sort of corrective phase, and we need more proof to show us that we're done fucking correcting. Because I'm with the idea that this, for the top side, we're in a forward to some degree. Now it's just trying to time it and figure out how and when to get in. This looks like a diagonal. So my idea was that we're doing this, A, B, C, and this is where we want to anticipate a buy. This vertical line is the time frame I anticipated this entire structure to complete in. And you see there's more time to be taken up or used. So this makes sense to me, you know. Running flat, kind of a sharp move here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that fits right into this pocket too, so that's really lovely. That'd be a great opportunity. And what I'm seeing here in the 1 hour is this. We're topped out on this 1 hour time frame here. Last time we got a pretty vicious sell candle, so I'm watching this 1 hour candle here. If it closes bearishly, I don't think this 4 hour candle will close the way I want it to. This 4 hour candle basically has 2 hours to go. If this 1 hour candle closes bearishly, like, you know, a bearish engulfing candle on this candle, or just just essentially a bearish engulfing candle. If we get that on this 1 hour time frame, I'm going to be with the idea that this is going to happen for sure, and that we're going to be anticipating a buy situation once we break below 33.15, with the hard idea that we're most likely going to bounce off the previous highs of the range, which makes sense, right? Previous high of the range, broke out of it, retest it, then take off for the final leg. That makes sense, right? You must anticipate us being bullish until we fail to sustain this range high, which is at 32.90 approximately, right? That level is not important. Let's go to daily. Daily's really positive here. Toppy, but it don't really mean anything until we get a hard rejection candle. I haven't got that yet. This is pretty lackluster. So yeah, so I'm with the idea. You know, we're gonna move up, break this high at some point, 34.84. Now it's just timing yourself. Just timing yourself in the market. That's the hardest thing. I personally think, with the way the 1 hour looks, and this just really looked like a diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At first, I thought it was like this was a corrective phase here, but this is taking too long now for me to say that. So I threw that out the water, and I believe that this is now the high of this green 3, and now we're correcting this phase. That's essentially it here. I'm not in any trade right now. I wanted to get into the hourly, like an hourly long, but we never touched the bottom of the band. And now we're touching the top of the band here. and that I can't long that person right here until I get more proof that on the 4 hour time frame closes positively. Then I'll take that trade using the 4 hour time frame. But right now my normal trigger time frame, which is at 1 hour, it's not there for me right now. We're too topped out. It's even a divergence if you notice that. So if this is truly a 5-wave little A wave here, then this should end up being this as well. This is what I'm anticipating. So let's kind of close this, topped out. If this flashes red, I may try to go with a short, but it needs to flash red. Right now we're still white, if you notice here. It's because this is not a very bearish candle. Not enough sell orders happening in this area to make it go red like this. This would be that'll be very, very good entry if we could get it. Who knows if we will? This price action here has been pretty shitty and choppy, so my guess is this is what's gonna happen based on the 1 hour time frame. But I would say immediately above 34 or 48, I would definitely think like this is for sure not gonna happen anymore. And one or two things. This is going to either turn into a flat, like this, a double running flat, which is actually what I would anticipate. There's not enough time has happened for me to say this correction is done. I need more time. At least 1/3 of the prior trend. So there are two ways I'll position myself. Like I said, if we get a bearish engulfing candle, I will take a short target here. If we don't, and it just like slowly bleeds throughout the next day or so, this is where I'm buying for sure. And I'll be targeting this high for sure. If this breaks the high here at 34.48 first, then I'm anticipating this will probably do this, and this will be my buy at a retest of like the daily high again at 34.48. I'm doing good, brother. Hope you're doing well too, man. But yeah. That's essentially it for that coin. Again, Bitcoin just looks. This is still all corrective, man. Like this looks like a 3. This even looks corrective. But 47,600 is when I would question this idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Disgusting diagonal here. Bitcoin got a kick-ass sell signal as well. So in the 4 hours, they're just slightly off. Once they can both agree is when all lights will fucking go tango. Shitty price action today, guys, though. That's pretty shitty price action. Let's see here. I want to talk about BAT real quick, guys. I think BAT's going to be a very good play longest term. I don't know what the hell's really going on here, but I think this is a giant ABC that is fucking finished. I am bullish as hell on BAT. I don't know what's going on with them, but this looks like 5 up to me. I think like a little pop up here. Watch I clear of this high, and then after we clear this high, look for a retrace and buy the bid of the 55 moving average on a daily time frame, which I think would probably be near 80 cents to 85 cents. Okay. Don't know what exactly is going on, but I know this was a giant impulse of something. We just corrected it. 1, 2, 3. I think this has a lot of upside. Again, I'm very bullish around this in general, around the market, especially since I'm seeing shit like this. This looks really good. Yes, some people might say that's a 3-wave impulse. I'm telling you, I've seen 3-wave impulses be wave 1s, and are turning into impulses. For this instance, look at that, 3 waves. Boom. How's that not 5 impulse? But this is 3 waves, clearly. See that? But it's only on wave 1. Wave 3 and 5 cannot do that. Let's see here. Another coin I want to talk about. This coin. Ah, damn it. Fuck, I forgot on my keyboard and shit. Pretty toppy on our daily here. But if this can come down and fully reset and hit the bottom of the band, oh boy. This is going to be a very strong move here. I'm pretty with the idea. This is an impulse. Not really any MAs down there to really carry us, so that's the unfortunate part. Yeah, I'm thinking of this, but again, I'm thinking this is going to be a very solid project. Supposedly they have some partnership with Ubisoft, something like that. So we'll see. There could be a possibility that this maybe is this, like an impulse like that, so downside like this, we get one more lay down. But to me, I see 5 up right here, so I'm gonna run with that. And like I said, I told my group I bought this low, and I'm willing to add if we get what I want to see on this pullback. This hit a perfect 1618 extension, too. So it's perfect for an ABC. We don't have to do an impulse. Actually, not even that. Look at that. Oh. Not even close. We had a perfect 1-to-1, which looks, that's literally what you look for an ABC. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, buddy. Cool. Alright, let's go look at Soul. Man, Soul's killed it, man. I was looking for this to break that low and it never did, fuckers. I really think this is a completed ABC. Had a perfect 1618 extension. I think this is the one that did it, right? Yeah, this one did it perfectly. Perfect. Not perfect, but damn fucking close. On log, at least. So I really think this is now gonna be. Look at that. First retest. No, second retest at the bottom here. I think this pushes to here before the first corrective phase. I don't think this is an impulse here. I think it's just some sort of zigzag is forming. Look at this entry right there. Those bottom of band touches are fucking crucial when you're trending. It's nuts. It's hourly. Even right here, even this could have been a decent trade. This one was a little wary. But that's a good trade. Again, this concept is you break it here, break here. All you're waiting for is to go positive on one candle. Target at 3 to 1. Let's see if that one hit. I don't think it did. Nope. Last one did not hit. Well, I did eventually. Right there. Sheesh. Daily's positive. See that? Alright, what else do we have to talk about here? XRP is giving me rocket vibes. Like dildo, like rocket dildo vibes, like that area. Kind of like what we did. Like what everything did. Slow crime, also in a rocket. Positive here. It's very lethargic. That's one thing I don't like. Probably won't trade this one. I'm really liking BAT. BAT's my favorite coin right now. Looking coin on the higher time frames. I don't know, for some reason this looks really clean. It seems like Mana might want to. I'm thinking this is what's going to happen to Mana. I think it's going to end up being ABC. It's going to be a giant range on Mana, I think, guys and girls. A little top here on this, so I'm thinking we're going to pull back first, but I'm thinking Mana has a chance to run it to the opposite side of this range. I definitely attack this high. So I'm liking Mana too, guys. I'm liking Mana a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or maybe this is 5. If we get a pullback, again on a 4 hour level where this goes like negative a little bit, I'll be looking for a buy. But this looks pretty solid though. Little ABC, little 3-way correction. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is 5 here. And being like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm willing to buy a pullback on this coin. So Mana's on hot alert and BAT's on hot alert. I like East too, obviously. Like these three are my favorite looking coins. Not too sure about ICX. ICX fucking surprised the fuck out of me too. This, oh no, this volume is ridiculous though. Shit, that's nuts, insane volume. Like that's ridiculous volume. So like, I think this is a diagonal that ended here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. This is the first impulse. And something crazy is about to happen with this coin, I think. That's just insane volume to me. Absolutely fucking crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This price action definitely got me fucking a little confused though. Down in this area. I'll have to get it. I noticed that volume, but I couldn't decide if I wanted to pull a trigger. And the only place I could buy is fucking with the exchange that I have, it's fucking Kraken, and I hate using Kraken. But yeah. Anyways, if anyone has last minute questions, concerns, I will go over them. But if not, then we'll go on and get the freak out of here. Yeah, ICX just looks fucking like ready to fucking launch. I like ICX a lot. This one's an ABC. ABC. Weird wacko B wave. What? Okay, Binance. Okay, it's Hubboy, Coinex. Damn it. See, Kraken. Damn it, I hate that. Only Kraken. Yeah, look at that volume, man. Something to definitely pay attention to, I think. And that's a reversal candle, in my opinion, right here. On a weekly. Like this one right here. See that? Alright, my friends. This is what I call it quits. Thank you all for... Damn, dude. Thank you all for tuning in. It's been your boy, such a mother heavy. Catch me this Sunday. We're trying to get it rolling. Sorry I didn't get it this Sunday. What the hell was I doing? I'll tell you something. I had to finish a project at home. Finished it. But, yeah. So catch me this Sunday. We're running it. As for any new... Oh, yeah. Dude, if you follow me and stuff, make sure to and you took some of my algo. Make sure to watch the video I put out on this indicator if you're using it, okay? It's a really good video, so I really urge you to watch it. But remember the game plan, guys. I'm thinking this one's gonna happen. This one right here. This is the one that I'm thinking is gonna happen. But I'm on my toes, and I know if this happens first. Well, I don't know, but I'll assume this is what's gonna end up playing out. All right. All right. So, catch me on Sunday. Peace the fuck out. Hello. Hey. I did. I did it without my keyboard. It's kind of hard. Oh no. Oh, he did, huh? Oh my gosh. You went all out, huh? So funny. That's me to tell. That's so funny.